Yes, hello friends, welcome to No Max TV today. So in this video we are going to talk about how you can solve the issue which is always coming in most of the browsers, including Google Chrome, Opera, saying that this site can't be reached. So this is common issue which is always sometimes happen to some browsers where you are going to browse some information on your internet, on your Android phone. But we are going to see how you can solve it on your PC. So we are going to show you two ways you can use to solve this issue on your computer, then so as you will be able to browse freely and securely on your device without facing with this issue. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, hit the notification bell ring so as you get notified when we upload a new video here at No Max TV. So let's get started. So in your PC, come and search LAN. So here in search bar you type LAN, then click here LAN, open it. After clicking LAN, so you are going to take services dot services dot ms this is the first way you can use. Then click OK. So after clicking OK, you see you have even got services including local services. So those are local services in your PC. Now we are going to see what you can do here. So on this first step, now you are going to search for DNS Client. So DNS Client, and scroll down. So you see they are arranged on alphabetical orders. So now you're going to see DNS Client. So DNS Client. So this is a DNS Client here. So for solving this issue with this way, you are going to right click on this DNS Client. So yes. After you click on DNS Client, you see there are more options here. If your PC is having this issue, so is having that issue, so you will see restart, which is marked black here in your PC. So you need to click restart this DNS Client. Then after reboot your PC. So this will work immediately. So here also you can click refresh to solve this issue within your computer. So yes. You see I click DNS Client, so domain name is the same. Yes. Now immediately I refreshed my domain name system in my PC, means that the server is going to serve that site I was serving. So I was searching on my PC or within my any browser. So maybe Google Chrome, maybe it's Mozilla, maybe it's Opera browser. So every browser can face with this issue, but you can handle it with this way in your computer. So another second way that you can use, you need to come here and click search for control panel here, then open control panel. After this, click view network status and tasks. After clicking here, you see the change adapter settings. So click on the change adapter settings. Then here you see there are different ways of connections. So here I see local area connections, you see Ethernet connections. So you see Wi-Fi. So now you click on Wi-Fi. It means you are connected to the wireless or Wi-Fi. So you click on Wi-Fi. So you click on Wi-Fi, then click properties. So after clicking on properties, you see here, you see we are going to change. So the second way is to change internet protocol version. So internet protocol or IPv4 on your PC. So here, then you click here internet protocol version. After clicking here below, there are different options here. You see obtaining domain system server address automatically. So you don't need to click here, but you need to click use the following DNS server addresses. So you click here, you tick here, then here below you are going to type 8, then 8, this number 8, 8 8. So below again type 8 below, so 8 so you click 8, then click on validate settings. Upon exit, then you click OK. So here I mean the domain name system also is going to be changed, to get changed within your PC. So this is the second way you can use to obtain a domain name system on your PC. So if the domain name system is not working, also these numbers will be working on your PC. So you see they can't work because my PC is not facing with this issue. So if your PC is facing this that issue, immediately you are going to get validation for those IPv4 or those domain system servers within your PC. So the third way you can use is to try to uninstall your browser and reinstall it again within your PC. So I think those 3 ways will work in your computer. Try using those ways within your computer. If there anything to ask or to leave in a comment, please let us know in a comment section. Or if any question, please you can ask within a comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the video and hit the notification bell ring so as you get notified when we upload new video here at Nomax TV. Thank you for watching.